Hi, my name's Carl from the Suffolk Latch Company, and we're now going to go on to how to hang a traditional legend brace door with a T-hinges and a Suffolk latch. Here's the original frame. We've taken the door out, we've filled where the old hinges were, and we've also filled where the old latch was, and we've taken out both the left and right hand side architrave. Some of the issues people will find with this is that when you look at a traditional hinge, it was designed to sit on a bit of 4x2 oak or elm. Obviously nowadays with your door surrounds, they're generally very narrow, and if you place a hinge up onto the wall here, you'll see that in effect those last 3 holes simply overrun. It's not going to work. So, and also bearing in mind that when these kind of doors were first designed and used by the average working family, it was not about being neat and tidy, it's about getting a closure to a door. So for this particular job, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be turning the hinge past 90 degrees and setting it in like a butt hinge. So the first thing that's going to happen now, we're going to bring the door in now, and we're going to offer it up. We're going to get one screw in. We're going to use a little bit of a lift to make sure we get the gap even all round, and then we're going to push it in, second screw, mark round, remove the door, and then chop the hinge in, and then we'll come back to there. Now we've got both doors marked up where they're going, we're now down to fixing the screws. The screws that come with the pack are these very traditional, very soft dome head slotted screws. Now, there's got things you've got to take into account here. If you go hard with a electric screwdriver, you're going to break these things off. So what we recommend is going in with a 2.5mm drill bit with a tape marked on it so you know how far you're going in. After that, we're going to get a standard positive drive screw, and we're going to pre-cut the thread with an ordinary screwdriver, and then finally we're going to go in with a handheld screwdriver where you get a bit of feedback. You can feel if you get a problem occurring. I'm going to hand you over right now to our local tame carpenter Reese, who's going to do the job for us, because it gets me a little bit clever and I don't want to get involved in it too much. Because the door we're fitting this into has got a very, very narrow door surround, the only way you can really get a decent fixing is by flipping the T-part round and fitting it much like a traditional butt hinge. And for that we're going to be using some traditional hardened countersunk slotted wood screws and a countersink bit in this drill. So what I'm going to do now is countersink the back ends, and then we're ready to hang the door. Right, we're back here in the office. This is a fairly typical door where people will be replacing. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the door. We're going to remove the right and left hand architrave out of the way. And we're going to go in here, remove the door stop all round, remove this little keeper area. We're going to fill it with a 2-pack filler, and we're going to come back and hang the door. The first operation is to offer the door up to its final position and fix in place with a couple of screws in each hinge, top and bottom. Secondly, mark on the door surround where the knuckle hits the door surround. Remove the door and remove enough timber to allow the knuckle of the hinge to fit in snugly. Rehang the door and fix in place with the 4 screws. Mark round each hinge and pre-drill the pilot hole for each of the fixings. Remove the door and chisel out enough timber to allow the hinge to fit flush. Now we're ready to hang the door for the final time. Offer it up into the chiselled out openings and fix in place with the appropriate slotted screws. Thanks for watching this video. This is part of a series covering things like how to clean the ironmongery, how to fit a hinge, how to fit a soffit latch. What's the door behind which I've just done. Do apologise, it hasn't been quite finished yet. Got a little bit of sanding and painting off, but we're sort of running out of time. So if you click any of the on-screen links, it'll take you to various videos which are all related to sort of the fitting of traditional hand-forged ironmongery with legend braced doors. And thank you for watching, and if you liked the video and found it informative, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.